بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله رب العالمين، والصلاة والسلام على أشرف الأنبياء والمرسلين. أيها الإخوة والأخوات, welcome to session 18. It's the 18th session. Okay, and in this session we'll talk about demonstratives, the use of the word this and these and that and those. Okay, so if you have something that is here and very close, like the pen, right? I say, just by pointing at it, I say this is a pen. It's very close and it is here. So this is a pen. And this is a book. Or if I'm holding it like this, I can say also, I use the word this, the demonstrative this. This is a pen, okay? If it is not here, if it is like there, all right? Now, that is a book. So we use that if the object is not here, it's not close, it's not near. We use that. That is a book. Now, this is a pen. That is a pen. Okay, that's for singular, المفرد. If you have two things or more, like here, these are books. These are books. They're here. These are my books. Now, they're there. Those are books. Those are books. Okay, now let's move to go to the slides, and I have some more examples to show you the difference between this and that, and do some exercises as well. All right, so let's go to the slides. Okay, so let's start with the first slide. This and that, these and those. All right, this is used for singular. That is also used for singular. The difference is that this is used for objects that are close, very close to you, near, okay, or here. And that is used for something that is not near, all right? And they are for singular. These and those for plural. These for things near to us, and those for things that are not near. Okay, so use this and these to talk about things that are here and near to us. Use this and these to talk about things that are here, okay, and near to us. هنا قريبة مننا يعني الأشياء القريبة. We use this for singular للمفرد and these للجمع. عند الإشارة أو للإشارة إلى شيء معين نستخدم this and these. This للمفرد و these للجمع. Okay. All right. Use that and those to talk about things that are there and not near. There هناك. إذن استخدم that and those للحديث عن الأشياء أو للإشارة إلى الأشياء التي هناك أو ليست قريبة, that are not near. Okay. Now let's look at this slide here. This and that again. Look at this hand here, and it is pointing at something, right? This person is pointing at something, and that object is or supposed to be, must be close. It must be here because, let's say, what's this? It's like as if he's asking someone, right? And he says, or he's saying, what's this? All right? What's this? Look at this object here is very close to this hand. All right? So what's this? And the answer is, this is a book. This is a book. So we use this. All right. Now, another way, of course, to use this is if you're holding something, right? Like here, this person is holding a pen. All right? So this is a pen. This is a pen. All right. Now, what about this? See, I'm using, because it's very close here, very close to the cursor here. So now if you look at the hand here, right, the hand is not very close. See the distance here? It's not near. It's not like here or holding it. All right, so that is used in this case. And we say, what's that? What's that? And the answer is, that's an apple. That's an apple. That's an apple. All right. Now here, this person is also pointing at something that is not close, very far, right? In the skies. All right? And, well, let's look here. This is the object that he's pointing at, and it's an airplane. An airplane, right, in the skies, usually, of course, is, or must be, of course, you know, not near, must be far from us. So the word to use here is that. So you say, that's an airplane. That's an airplane. All right. Okay. These and those. Now, what are these? Look how many objects we have. Not 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's plural. So we use these or those. If they're close, if they're here, near to us, we use these. And of course, that's why we have the hand is very close, so that's these. These are coins. These are coins. These are coins. And look at that. And this. And there's another one. And a fourth one. What are these? Well, these are apples. I say these because I am holding here the mouse. I'm pointing at them, right? And that's why I'm using the word these. But if you look at the hand here, right, and notice the distance, it's not very close as this, right? And we have, of course, a number of apples. We have 4 apples here, 4 apples. So the, of course, correct demonstrative is those. Those are apples. Those is used for plural objects. And look at the, you know, the noun apple here. We have S at the end, and that, of course, means that it is plural. Okay, in the previous slide, we only have 1 apple, and we said that's an apple. But in this slide, we have 4 apples, and they're not close, okay? They're not near this person, so we say those. those are apples. Those are apples. Okay. Now, of course, notice here, these are coins. Also, we have S here because it's plural. All right. Now, we have a listening exercise, and it's taken from your book, and of course you will listen to it here, but you will also listen to it in your, you can listen to it several times in your CD when you buy the book. It says here, the exercise, okay, the way number them here is different from the way they're numbered in the book. So this is exercise 1. In the presentations, I give different numbers, or not like, of course, the exercises in the book, because I do not use all the exercises. The rest of the exercises are supposed to be used by you. Some of them, of course, are very long, and it's not, of course, logical to take all of them. So I want you to do them at home. Some of them will be, of course, assigned as homework to do at home. Now, direction for this exercise: listen to the sentences, circle the words you hear. All right, here are some words, okay, and the words are this and that, all of them. So we have this in this column, that in this column. So let's listen, and they will say the direction again. They'll say the directions again. Listen.
Exercise 22, page 39. Listen to the sentences. Circle the words you hear. Example.
This is my pen. This.
1,
This is my grammar book.
2. That is your grammar book. 3,
That's your wallet.
4. This is her purse. 5,
Is that your umbrella?
6. This is not my umbrella. 7,
Is this your ring?
8. Yes, that's my ring. 9,
This isn't my homework.
10. That's their car.
Okay, let's listen again and circle the words.
End of chapter
Okay,
2.
let's listen again, right, and circle the words together.
Exercise 22, page 39. Listen to the sentences. Circle the words you hear. Example.
This is my pen. This.
1,
This is my grammar book.
2. That is your grammar book. 3,
That's your wallet.
4. This is her purse. 5,
Is that your umbrella?
6. This is not my umbrella. 7,
Is this your ring?
8. Yes, that's my ring. 9,
This isn't my homework.
10. That's their car. End of chapter 2.
Okay, and that's the end of this exercise. All right, and of course, the purpose of this exercise is not only to, of course, tell whether you, of course, hear the word this or that, but also to listen to how the questions are said. You have there's some kind of rising intonation and falling intonation, and also it's a chance for you to, of course, listen to how English is, of course, pronounced by native speakers. All right. let's move on to an exercise here. Exercise 2, you complete the sentences. Complete the sentences. Use the words in parentheses. Here are the words are this and these, right? Or that and those. Now, we'll go through the exercise together and I'll explain each sentence. Of course, look at the structure. All right, let's read the first one. This and these. Now, this is a noun, books, and it is plural. Look at the word book. It ends with S. Right? Books belong to me. So, what do we use here? This or these? Of course, we have to use these because the noun book here is plural. So these books belong to me. These books belong to me. Number 2, well actually number 1, let's finish it. That book belongs to Sarah. Right? Look at here, of course, that or those. And book here in this second sentence of number 1, right? It's singular, so we need a singular demonstrative, or a demonstrative that we use for singular nouns, and it is that, right? That book belongs to Sarah. Now, of course, we only have that choice, that or those, right? If we have, for example, this, that also can be used, depending, of course, on the location, right, of the book and the person here. Number 2, we have this, these, and coat is black, right? And it is singular, so we say this coat is black. And for the second sentence, we have that and those, right? And it's plural, the word coat is plural. So we say those coats are tan. That's a color. Number 3, again, the word earrings, okay? Earrings is plural, and earrings here is also plural. So we need a plural demonstrative here, or a demonstrative to be used for this plural noun, and it is these. These earrings are gold, right? And here, those earrings are silver. Notice that the noun here is plural, and the noun here is also plural. Okay, number 4, and the word pencil is singular, so we need a demonstrative that is used with singular nouns, and it cannot be these, it has to be this. So this pencil belongs to Ali, right? And the word pencil here is also singular. Pencil here belongs to Nora, and we use that. That pencil belongs to Nora. Number 5. Again, the noun here is sunglasses, right? These, right? Because it has to be these because the noun is what? Plural. So these sunglasses belong to me, all right? And again, it's plural, so we also have to get that one. So it's those sunglasses belong to you. All right. This is the rest of the exercise, all right? Number 6 here, this and these, and we have exercise. Exercise is singular, right? So it has to be that one. This exercise is easy, right? That and those, and we have the noun here is plural again, right? Those exercises are hard. All right, number 7, students are sitting at this or these desks. Well, look at the word desks. Again, that's plural, so we need the word these. But that or those desks, we say those. But those desks are empty. All right. Number 8. All right, number 8. This and these, again, book is on my desk. Of course, we need this one here, not that. We need this demonstrative because we have singular noun. So this book is on my desk, and that or those, can you guess? It's actually those, right? Well, we can use these, but of course we have only the choice is between that and those, so we can use these and we can use those, all right? And so we can put those instead of these, all right? So you can say these books are on my, those books are on my desks, okay, my desk, all right. Now let's, before we go through the, before you go for more English grammar, let me just go back a little bit and take you to an exercise that I asked you to do in session 17, and that was a paragraph that I wanted you to correct, if you remember. Remember this paragraph here? All right. As you can see here, I told you to, or I asked you to correct the mistakes in this paragraph, all right? And it says here, read this paragraph. It contains 5 mistakes. Find the mistakes and correct them. You can find out, of course, the mistakes by reading through it, and I think you did that. Let me show you what the mistakes are, all right? The first mistake is here because we do not start every sentence in a new line. We do not start, or we do not indent. Also, we do not make like indentation for every sentence. That's the first rule that we have learned. يعني احنا تعلمنا انه ايش من القواعد انه احنا ما نسوي المسافة مع كل جملة. That's the first mistake. And you can put that circle here or you can put it here, so that's one mistake. الخطأ الثاني إنه here we do not have a see this word here, that's the beginning of a new sentence, and it is written in a smaller, of course, letter. It's in, so we need capital, so it has to be capital. And here I worked hard and saved my money. We need a full stop here because, as we said earlier, as we said in that session, in session number 17, we need a full stop here because it's the end of the sentence. And mistake number 4 is here. This is the beginning of a sentence and it has to be capital, right? The M has to be capital letter, has to be capital. And here I've got, in fact, even if I read it, right, there's some kind of signal that it is the end of a sentence. So if I say, I have been, or I have seen and done a lot in my long life. I have seen and done a lot in my long life. I am a lucky and happy man. So we need a full stop here to indicate that it is the end of this sentence. And we will do more exercises later on, inshallah, when we take some writing in other sessions. But that will be enough for today. And with this, we come to the end of today's session. إذن مع نهاية التمرين هذا نأتي إلى نهاية الحلقة رقم 18. أرجو أن تكونوا قد استفدتم. شكرا لكم والسلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.